Today I want to go over how to make fun fringe, whether it's on the end of a sweater or a poncho or a table runner or even these cute coaster rugs, which I think are so fun. This is a knit one, so this technique can be used with knit designs as well as with crochet. And they're really fun to just set your coffee mug on, and they're super, super cute. So today I'll be using Brava worsted weight yarn and the Furls G hook. This can also work with chunkier or lightweight yarns, whatever you choose to work with. It's just a lot of fun. So to do along this edge, I'm going to join my yarn to one side and make a slip stitch, just to kind of tighten it down there to hold it in place. The next thing you're going to want to do is pull the yarn out away from the item. So you're just pulling up your loop, a strand of yarn. And a lot of times I'll decide the length of this that I want. Think of it as after you twist it, it'll be a little bit less than half. So sometimes I'll just take something like, okay, this is the length I'm going to use each time to get them as consistent as possible. And I'm going to pull from this bottom edge to the top of these scissors. So you can find an item and just kind of measure it roughly each time to keep them as even as possible. Then I'm simply going to hold this onto my hook and start twisting. After a couple twists, you can let go, and you're going to twist about 16 times. 15, if you want more twists, you just add a few more. I do about 15 to 17 twists. I kind of keep track. And then I will stick my finger here, so it's halfway, and I will go into the next spot and slip stitch. But notice as I enter my hook, if I want to let go of this, I can, but watch what happens. It just twists around it. If you get a little knot like this, simply pull it up and out, and then you have your twist. And you want to be careful not to slip stitch too tight and pull this twist down, because if you pull too hard, your twist will pull in. And now I slip stitch to the next one, and then I will do the same. And slip stitch. And then when I let go, it just twists it into a nice twist. And that's all you have to do. You just keep working along the edge to get a fun twisted fringe. So come on over and try this twisted fringe. It's a lot of fun, and you can find both of these coaster patterns on my blog for free, as well as the supplies that you will need. Thank you so much for joining me today.